In the bustling metropolis of the digital age, where spreadsheets are the skyscrapers and financial reports the roadways, there lurks a hero poised to revolutionize the landscape. Welcome back to AI Chronicles, the channel where technology's latest leaps are more than just news. They're the start of a new chapter in how we navigate the digital world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Microsoft's latest marvel, a game-changer destined to send ripples through the corridors of finance departments everywhere. Say hello to Microsoft Copilot for Finance. Imagine a world where the tedious tangles of data entry and the labyrinthine cycles of financial review become relics of the past, where finance teams are unshackled from the chains of routine tasks, free to soar to the heights of strategic analysis and insight. This isn't a distant dream or a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the promise of Microsoft's Copilot for Finance, stepping onto the stage with the confidence of a superhero ready to save the day. Following the triumphant entries of Copilot for Sales and Copilot for Service, Copilot for Finance isn't just stepping into the spotlight. It's doing a full-on superhero landing. Designed to empower finance professionals to transcend the mundane, this AI-powered sidekick is here to automate, innovate, and invigorate the finance sector. From variance analysis in Excel that feels like having a chat with a wise mentor, to turning Outlook into a financial command center, Copilot for Finance is about to change the game. But every hero's journey has its challenges. As we peel back the layers of this cutting-edge technology, we'll explore not just the dazzling heights it aims to reach, but also the hurdles it must overcome. In a world awash with data but starving for insights, can Copilot for Finance be the beacon that guides finance teams to newfound efficiency and strategic prowess? Buckle up and get ready to embark on an exhilarating exploration into the heart of Microsoft's latest innovation. With a mix of intrigue, a dash of humor, and a keen eye on the future, AI Chronicles is your front-row ticket to witnessing the evolution of finance in the age of AI. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the digital frontier, where the lines between human expertise and artificial intelligence blur in the quest to redefine what's possible. Welcome to the story of Microsoft Copilot for Finance, where number crunching meets AI wizardry and the finance department becomes the epicenter of innovation. Microsoft's Copilot for Finance is more than a sophisticated tool. It's a harbinger of a new age where finance is not just about managing funds, but steering organizations towards innovation and growth. This cutting-edge solution embodies a shift towards a world where finance professionals harness AI to elevate their role from operational executors to strategic architects of business success. Copilot for Finance, by automating the mundane and complex, unfolds an era where the strategic potential of finance teams is fully unleashed, transforming them into pivotal pillars that drive forward-thinking decisions and actions within their organizations. In the labyrinth of financial data and analytics, Copilot for Finance serves as a compass, guiding finance teams through the complexities of data interpretation, making sense of vast amounts of information with ease and precision. By enabling natural language processing within familiar tools like Excel, it breaks down the barriers between human intuition and digital computation, allowing finance professionals to interact with data in ways that feel natural and intuitive. This interaction not only simplifies the process of data analysis, but enriches it, enabling finance teams to uncover insights that might have remained hidden within traditional analysis paradigms. Furthermore, Copilot for Finance's ability to automate reconciliation processes represents a paradigm shift in accuracy and efficiency. By comparing data structures and guiding troubleshooting, it not only reduces the risk of human error, but also frees up valuable time for finance professionals to engage in more value-added activities. This capability underscores the transformative potential of AI in enhancing the reliability of financial records, a cornerstone upon which the credibility and success of businesses are built. The transformation extends beyond internal processes to influence how businesses interact with their customers. Copilot for Finance's integration with Outlook revolutionizes the collections process, making it more efficient and less intrusive. This approach to customer interaction reflects a deeper understanding of the role finance teams play in shaping customer experiences and the importance of maintaining positive relationships in the financial health and reputation of businesses. By drawing on data from ERP systems and the Microsoft Graph, Copilot for Finance doesn't just look backward. It forecasts, strategizes, and anticipates, turning finance teams into visionaries of corporate strategy. This forward-looking capability is crucial in today's rapidly changing business environment, where the ability to predict and adapt to financial trends can be the difference between leading the market and lagging behind. The rollout of Copilot for Finance aligns with Microsoft's broader commitment to responsible AI use, ensuring that the technology not only advances business goals, but does so in a way that is ethically sound and socially responsible. This commitment is evident in the careful consideration given to the design and implementation of Copilot for Finance, ensuring it enhances the strategic role of finance teams while adhering to the highest standards of data privacy and security. As businesses and finance professionals explore the capabilities of Copilot for Finance, they embark on a journey of discovery, learning not just about the potential of AI, but about new possibilities for their roles and industries. This exploration is not a solo endeavor, but a collaborative journey that involves feedback, adaptation, and continuous learning. It's a partnership between humans and technology, where each enhancement and new capability of Copilot for Finance opens new doors for innovation and strategic growth. In conclusion, Microsoft's Copilot for Finance is not just a technological innovation, it's a catalyst for transformation in the finance sector. It marks a significant milestone in the journey toward a future where finance teams are empowered with the tools, insights, and time they need to drive their organizations forward. This is a future where finance is not just a function, but a strategic powerhouse, equipped with AI capabilities that enable them to envision and shape the future direction of their businesses. As we stand on the brink of this new era, Copilot for Finance invites us to reimagine the potential of finance, to explore new horizons of strategic advising, and to embrace the opportunities that lie at the intersection of finance and AI innovation. As we conclude this deep dive into the revolutionary world of Microsoft Copilot for Finance, it's clear we're on the cusp of a transformative era in financial management and strategy. Copilot for Finance isn't just another tool in the financial toolkit. It represents a paradigm shift in how finance teams engage with data, derive insights, and contribute to the strategic dialogue within organizations. This AI-powered innovation promises to liberate finance professionals from the drudgery of routine tasks, empowering them to become architects of their company's future. The journey towards fully realizing the potential of Copilot for Finance is both exciting and demanding. It requires finance teams to embrace new technologies, adapt to evolving roles, and foster a culture of continuous learning and innovation. Yet, the promise of a future where strategic advising and insights are not just aspirations, but daily realities makes this journey compelling and worthwhile. Now, the call to action is clear. For finance professionals, it's time to explore the capabilities of Copilot for Finance, to envision its potential impact on your workflows, and to consider how it can elevate your role within your organization. For business leaders, the message is to recognize the transformative potential of integrating AI into financial operations, to invest in the tools and training that will enable your teams to thrive in this new era, and to lead the cultural shift towards a more agile, data-driven organization. The invitation extends beyond the confines of individual companies to the broader financial community. Engage in the conversation about AI and finance, share insights and experiences, and collaborate on best practices for harnessing the power of tools like Copilot for Finance responsibly and effectively. Together, we can shape a future where finance is not just a guardian of the bottom line, but a key driver of innovation, strategy, and sustainable growth. Microsoft's Copilot for Finance is not just a harbinger of change, it's a beacon for a new way of thinking about and engaging with financial data and strategy. As we stand at the threshold of this new era, let's embrace the opportunities it presents. Explore Copilot for Finance, join the conversation about the future of finance, and be part of shaping a world where financial insight and strategic acumen drive organizations to new heights of success. Thank you for joining us on this exploration into Microsoft Copilot for Finance. Your journey towards transforming financial operations and strategic impact starts now. Subscribe to stay informed on the latest trends in AI and finance, share this insight with your network, and together, let's navigate the exciting future of finance powered by artificial intelligence. See you in the next exploration of how technology is reshaping you.